Hello everybody, today I will be showing you how to screen record on iPhone and iPad. This is a built-in feature for iPhone and iPad, but it only works on iOS 11. It's really easy to do, but some people don't know about it, so I hope you enjoy this video and don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open the Settings app. Then go into the Control Center tab. Now tap Customize Controls. Tap where it says Screen Recording to add it to the Control Center. Now that you have screen recording set up, I'll tell you how to activate it. First, you need to access the Control Center by double tapping the Home button on an iPad or swiping up on an iPhone. Once you're in the Control Center, press the screen recording icon and it will turn white with a red circle. To stop screen recording, just tap the screen recording icon again and it will go back to normal, and something will pop up saying Screen Recording Video Saved to Photos. That's how easy it is to screen record on iPhone and iPad. Make sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget to comment down below if you have any suggestions for future videos I should make.